Important announcement. Because we are unable to record the audio of the videos, we will use artificial intelligence known as AI for audio recording. And that's to make the explanation clearer, but it's going to be in English. There will be translation in Arabic. Thank you. In this tutorial you will learn how to create a professional flyer design in Adobe Photoshop. Start by creating new file size 17 by 24 centimeters. Resolution are 300. Use triangle tool to create triangle. Ctrl+T to rotate triangle. We drag this point to make the angles of the triangle curved. Hold on Alt and drag to make copy. Ctrl+T then adjustment triangle. Resize it. Hold on Alt and drag to make copy. Hold on Alt and drag to make copy. Ctrl+T then adjustment triangle. Hold on Alt and drag to make copy. Draw a line like this. We're making an inverted triangle here to be the logo. Added a circle. Use the rectangle tool to create two rectangles. Now add the image of the model. The image model will be the description. Place the model image above the triangle layer. Right-click on image layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Ctrl+T to adjust the image size. Now we put a color gradient on the shapes. Follow the settings. Now we added texts. Use any font you like. Subscribe to my channel to see more tutorial. This will be the final result. Subscribe to my channel to see more tutorial.